To fix a Coinbase account restriction, first understand why your account may be restricted. Coinbase restricts accounts to protect users and comply with regulatory requirements. Common reasons for restrictions include suspicious activity, incomplete verification, and non-compliance with terms of service. Step 1. Review Coinbase's terms of service and ensure you are in compliance. Check your account activity to identify any suspicious transactions. Verify your account information, including your name, address, and identification documents. Step 2. Contact Coinbase support. Reach out to them through the Help Center or mobile app, and provide detailed information about your account restriction. Explain the situation clearly and provide any required documentation. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. Step 3. Resolve any issues related to account verification. Complete any pending verification tasks, such as uploading identification documents or confirming your address. Ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Step 4. Wait for Coinbase to review your account. This process may take several days, so be patient. Coinbase will investigate your account activity and verify your information. Once the review is complete, your account will be unrestricted or you will be notified of any further requirements. To prevent future account restrictions, monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to Coinbase. Keep your account information up to date and comply with Coinbase's terms of service. By following these steps and maintaining a secure and compliant account, you can avoid restrictions and continue using Coinbase without interruption.